Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging a reliable external drive into a USB 3.0 port. Make sure it has at least twice the space of your Windows partition. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup, and click Backup and Restore Windows 7. Once there, choose Create a System Image so you capture the entire OS, programs, and settings. Make sure to select the external drive as the destination and confirm which drives to include before hitting Start. This begins the core imaging process. Once the image creation begins, monitor the progress bar and estimated time. Imaging typically ranges from 20 minutes to 2 hours or more, depending on disk size and speed. Make sure you included the system reserved partition and the C drive. If you have very large folders, you can move or exclude them first to save time. When the imaging finishes, immediately create a system repair disk or a USB recovery drive using the Recovery Media Creator, so you can boot and restore the image later if Windows won't start. You finish by safely ejecting and labeling the external drive with the date. Store it somewhere cool and dry. Next, test the recovery media by booting the PC with the repair USB or disk, but do not restore. Just confirm you reach the recovery environment. If you ever need to restore and it fails to find the image, first check BIOS/UEFI boot order and ensure the disk controller mode, OSI versus IDE, matches the original system settings. Changing that often resolves recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.